can get on the bus.
Yep.
My mommy is almost done. She's coming this way too.
I think she already told you goodbye.
Is she at work?
She's about to go to work.
So stupid.
Oh.
Robynne!
So I'm sitting here at the door waiting for Peanut's bus to show up to come home from school, and look who decided to join me. Galileo. Copycat. I just hope he doesn't try to sneak out the door again, because I was weeding over here the other day when I was waiting for Peanut to get off the bus, and rudely interrupted by someone messaging me. But yeah, I was weeding over here by this flower. I still have to do this side over here, but I was weeding over here, and Peanut's bus came, and I had to hurry up and go get her. And a Galileo tried to make an escape out of the front door. I'm sitting inside actually right now, just to show you, because I don't want to go stand outside. It's kind of windy, but I want to be able to see when her bus comes on the street out there. So in order to make sure that I see her bus, because when they go down this street, I can go outside and wait for her. In order, you know, when I see her bus come with her number on it, then I will be able to go outside and wait for her to show up. And hopefully she had a good day at school. Hopefully she ate lunch, because Peanut is kind of a picky eater, and so she doesn't necessarily like the foods that they serve at the school. So sometimes I have to make her some food when she comes home, which isn't an issue. I just hope that, you know, she'll be able to find some foods that they serve at the school that she actually likes. But that's what I'm doing. Just me and him. This Galileo cat. It's nighttime. It is like after midnight, and again, it is a weekday, so it's a school night, and I need to be going to bed soon. But as usual, I have a lot on my mind yet again tonight. I've been putting in job applications, and I've also been researching some information on service dogs and things like that, because I was approved to get a service dog for my epilepsy and my post-traumatic stress disorder. So I've been looking into like how to go about getting a service dog, and a lot of like the places where they'll actually train the service dog for you, so expensive. And like, as far as getting dogs for PTSD, a lot of them only do the dogs for PTSD, for people with PTSD, if they are like a combat soldier, you know, a combat veteran, which isn't exactly fair, because a lot of people, when they hear PTSD, they think of, you know, war, combat, things like that. But, you know, in case you didn't know, PTSD can be, you know, had by anyone. Anyone who goes through any type of traumatic event, whether it's a car accident, disaster, you know, a natural disaster like an earthquake or a fire, something like that, that triggers PTSD as well, you know. So, I mean, anybody of any profession, any lifestyle can get PTSD if they go through a traumatic event. I'm not saying that everybody who goes through a traumatic event will get PTSD, but, you know, there are people, anybody who goes through a traumatic event can get PTSD. So, I don't know. I'm just looking for a good, calm service dog, and I don't have like $20,000 to pay some of these rescue groups and things like that who train these service dogs. You know, $20,000, I don't have anywhere near that. So that's kind of a ridiculous price for me to have to pay. You know, I don't have that. I can't even get a loan for $20,000 right now. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I am just sitting here eating my little yogurt. This is a Yoplait Light strawberry orange smoothie yogurt with no aspartame, if you can see that. So that's about it. Oh, and Peanut got her glasses today, and she looks so cute with her glasses on. I also got new glasses, but I don't exactly like the way that the nose is. It's really thick in that area for some reason, and it's going to take some getting used to. But with that being said, that's the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you guys next time.